Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video on Facebook. So if you want to share a YouTube video on Facebook, you can do it from either your phone or your computer. So on your computer, open your browser and go to YouTube, then sign into your account. Next, look for the video that you want to share, click on it. For example, this video right here. Now, what you need to do to share this is to scroll down a bit and click share below the video. Click the share button right here. Then from the options, look for Facebook.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And click on it. So select Facebook. So a Facebook window will open. Just wait for it to process. So in here, you can add your caption and adjust the audience if needed. So you can click this right here and choose the audience. You can set it to public, friends, etc. and click on done. You can add captions right here. You can add or you can tag people, you can add emojis, etc. and click next. Then click share to post it to your Facebook. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.